So you say you want to be a doctor. Or for the parents, you say you want your child to be a doctor. And we've got grandparents. So you say you want your grandchild to be a doctor. Welcome, I'm Dr. Geoffrey Mount Varner, board certified emergency medicine physician, and I've been practicing medicine for over 25 years. Look, I have sat on multiple admissions at different medical schools, as well on the committees to choose residents. This is an exciting time for you. This is a period of time that we get to shape and mold and grow our loved ones. And maybe even, if it's for you, grow yourselves. But let's right side this. Let me tell you who this video series is not for. If you are that perfect student, perfect GPA, perfect MCAT scores, you've done published research, you've even gone out and volunteered in orphanages all over the world. If you're that perfect student, this video's not for you. And by the way, those who are accepted into medical school, very few of them are that perfect and ideal candidate. But for all the others, this video is for you. Because this is about strategy. Obviously, you've got to have good MCAT scores, and we can talk about that. You've got to have a good GPA. But this is for the imperfect. Let me prove that to you. Of those who were accepted into medical school, the average GPA was 3.6. The average MCAT score was 511. Let's look at the word average. That means there were many people above that, and there were many people below it. Hey, everyone who commits, changes their mindset, and decides that they want to go to medical school can go. And if you fit into that broad, imperfect category, part of it, it's about strategy. It's about enthusiasm. It's about understanding the process. If you fit that mold, this video is for you. There are some of you all who are further along the process than others. I'm sure there's some parents, there's some grandparents, there's some actual students who are watching this. There are a few of you all who are in high school, great. In fact, grade school even. There are a few of you all who are in college, who are a little further along, your freshman, your sophomore, your junior year. I promise you this, there's nothing you've done, nothing that excludes you from being able to go to medical school. That includes you graduate students as well. That includes you all have already finished your studies. It's just a matter of strategizing, figuring out the best and most optimal way for you. In this world, what we've learned, the person who thinks they can and the person who thinks they can't are probably both right. So join me. We're about to go on a journey, and you're gonna find some inside information from those of us who have been there. Those of us who have sat in those meetings where we have interviewed people. Those of us who have looked at applications. Join me. It's about to be fun.